Hey guys, so about a week ago I posted my fall nighttime routine and had so many of you in the comments asking for a fully dedicated skincare routine video. So we're doing it. I know it's a little bit different than what we normally do, but it's a super important part of our whole health and fitness and wellness. And while I have a ton of products that I've loved forever, I also have started realizing more and more how important it is to be really conscious of what we're putting on our skin. It is our largest organ. It absorbs like 60% of everything we put on it. So this is a full, clean, healthy skincare routine. So whenever I started shopping for clean skincare, I realized it was very hard because there are so many different products out there and there's a lot of different labels, and trying to navigate which ones are actually clean and toxic free and cruelty free can be challenging. So I'm super excited because I partnered up with Full Lane, which is an online store that only sells clean products. So skincare products, makeup, everything. And I'm really excited because it just makes it so much easier to find all the good stuff. So when we went to Mexico last week, I started with this little awesome clean essentials kit that they have. And this is kind of like they said the best place to start if you're trying to do a new clean skincare routine. But I got a bunch of other stuff to try too. So I'm gonna show you all the things I've been using for about a week now, and then I'll keep you guys updated on Instagram too. But starting with this little kit, it is so awesome. First of all, how cute is this bag? It says, "I like my products like I like my people, non-toxic." So great, right? So all their products on their store are non-toxic. And let's dig into this bag so I can kind of show you everything that's inside. All right, so everything in this kit is vegan, and like everything on their site, it's cruelty free. So digging in, the first and most important is the cleanser. I cannot tell you how many times I've forgotten my face wash while I've been traveling, especially a good one. It's hard to find little ones. So this one is from Osea, and it has all the good stuff in it. Mineral rich gel cleanser with algae, vitamin E, lactic acid, and it's supposed to exfoliate and remove makeup. And I will tell you, this worked so well. Even though I do my makeup to take photos during the day, I would put this on, just get it nice and sudsy with warm water, and it really helps remove everything and makes your skin feel really good, and it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. It's like being in a spa. Those are my favorite smells for skincare products too. This little cucumbery, I like it a lot. Okay, so the face wash is in there. Then the next one is this toner. So this one is Indie Lee, and you guys, it has all the good stuff. It's paraben free, which is awesome. And it has the CoQ10, which is something a doctor will often tell you to take as a supplement because it can be really, really good for your skin and have other awesome benefits as we age. Even if that's aging from 14 to 20, you start to lose some elasticity. So the CoQ10 can really help with that too. After you wash your face, I'll just put the toner on. I'm just gonna put some down because it's nice. Where's it? And that'll prep your skin for your moisturizer. Again, it smells so good. This actually smells like the spa treatments that we got when we were in Mexico. So it just reminds me of it. So once you cleanse, then you tone. It's so simple. You don't have to bring 20 different products with you when you're traveling. Then all you need is your little moisturizer. So this is the Ursa Major. This one's a recovery cream. So you can see it's this nice golden color. And what I like about it, because you guys know I have the driest skin in the world dealing with my hypothyroidism, I like it because it actually is really lightweight. You don't feel like you're weighing your skin down, but it's so moisturizing and it feels really nice. So I make sure to get that everywhere. And instead of bringing all of these products when I travel, I'll just bring the moisturizer, but make sure you get it on your neck, on your eyelids, and go up the neck and on my chest, and really get that everywhere you need. I'll rub a little extra into my hands so take care of that body. And then the other two great things were in here. There's a little wipe, face wipe if you need a little extra cleaning. But this is actually from Full Lane. It is their basically everything soap. It's 100% toxin free. It's hand body. Literally, they say you can use it on your dogs, your dishes. You use it on everything, your face, and it's super safe. And it's really nice to have soap because you don't always know when you're traveling, especially if you're gonna have soap available. So it's a super cute pouch. You can throw some other stuff in there, and you guys can get it for 50% off. I'm gonna put the link down below for you in their shop. So hit that little link, check it out, grab your little clean essentials travel kit. How cute. But now I wanna show you guys the rest of the stuff that I've been using. Okay, so when I'm home, I have a little bit more of an intensive regimen. So I'm really excited because I found products that are similar to ones that I'm already using but are clean. So I've used a few of these for a couple days, but again, I'm going to keep you guys posted on Instagram, so make sure you're following at Love Sweat Fitness. I'll show in my stories, but I'm going to show you the other things that I'll use. So obviously I always wash my face, so I'll be using that same Osea face wash. And then beyond that, after I wash it and tone it, I'd like to do oils and serums. And this is kind of the same in the morning and at night because, again, that dry skin, I need things to really moisturize it. So once I do that, I like rose oil. So this one is nice because it has a lot of other awesome benefits to it and other products in it, but they're all, again, cruelty-free. This one is also vegan. And there are other good oil products like prickly pear oil, and I think there was, what's the other really good one? Rose, it'll come to me. But other rose oils that you find sometimes will have other products in them, but they're like fillers and they actually don't have any benefits for your skin. This one's all full of benefits. So again, you wash it, you tone it, and the toner helps prepare it to soak up that moisturizer. So I'll put the oils in, and I like to go in circular motion just to help increase circulation. Sometimes I'll like press it in first and then bring it up. And I like, seriously, I will always rub any extra into my hands just to help keep them nice and hydrated. And then this one is the Intelligent Nutrients. It's the Time Traveler Serum. So when I was like 16 or so, my sister's mother-in-law, kind of my aunt, really like pushed how important it was to take care of your skin when you're young. So I started young, which is really great, and it is so important because that's when all that damage starts happening. They say that what you see now, like any damage you see in your skin now, happened 10 years ago. So if you start taking care of it early, you'll have beautiful skin as you get older. So this one's another serum just to help make sure that you keep all those little lines and wrinkles away as long as possible. Again, big circular motions going up. I like to go up the neck. Don't forget your chest. And be gentle. I always tell Ryan this when he's doing his face stuff. He'll try to like just scrub it in. Gentle, nice to your skin. All right. And then I do an eye specific one at home. So this one is Vitamin E Eye Balm with Botanical vitamins. It's really thick, which is cool. It's not like a cream. It's like kind of more the texture of a really thick chapstick. So you kind of like get it in your fingers, rub it around. You can also use it on your lips if you have really dry lips. So I'll put that on the eyelid, underneath the eye. Again, don't waste anything. Throw it on your lips, throw it on your chest. It's not gonna hurt anything. If anything, it'll just make it even nicer if you have extra. And then you know next time to get a little bit less. Okay, and then the one thing you guys have to remember to do also is take care of your body. So it's not just about your face. So this one is the Body Balm, and it's super bomb, you guys. It's like a serum, and I have a hard time with lotions because they just feel so thick, and then I feel like they just sit on my skin and don't like get absorbed. So this one feels more like an oil, but it absorbs really quickly, so you don't feel oily. I think I've told you, Ryan likes to call me a slippery seal usually when I put body oils on. So this one will absorb nicely. And it just feels like you're putting like essential oils all over your body and like giving yourself a nice little spa treatment, which is lovely. Make sure you get your knees, your elbows, all those areas that tend to be really dry. I'll put this on my stomach, my chest, everywhere. And then this one is specific for hands. So right before bed, the anti-aging hand cream from Osea. Just get it nice in there. And then the last thing I'll show you guys, obviously you would do this first, but I don't do it every single night. I only do it like once a week, is I got this face mask to try, and I'll probably show you this in my story trying it. Now I'm all cleansed and moisturized, hard to open. It's blue tansy. It's super like gel-like, you can see this, but I'm so excited to check it out because look at that. It like smells amazing. It has that blue-green algae. And I think what's nice about this, again, I haven't tried it yet, but I'm super excited, is that because it has that gel, it feels like it's going to like make your skin feel so hydrated instead of sucking all the hydration out of it, which most masks do, and leave you like even drier, and then you have to try to replenish the moisturizer. So this is supposed to help like balance your skin tone and give you everything you need, plus that moisturizer. So I would do that once a week. Again, I'll show you guys that in my story. And that's pretty much my entire nighttime skincare routine. All right, so now that I kind of have my clean skincare routine down, one, I want to know if there's any of these products that you guys try, or if there's other products that you recommend that I should try in my routine. But next for me, I think, is a clean makeup routine, because that is something I've not gone into. I don't even want to know about. I mean, I do need to know about some of the items that are in my makeup products, but I want to transfer over. So again, Full Lane has a makeup. I'm going to search there next and see if I can find some good ones to swap out so that I can be fully clean inside out and my skin is only absorbing lovely, non-toxic products. All right, so if you are a little traveler like me, or with the holidays coming up and you guys are gonna be on the go get this little kit. Again, the link is below, it's 50% off, and it just minimizes what you need to bring. You can have your clean essentials on the go. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So we'll see you next week. Bye.